These are all the best Black Friday and Cyber Monday cold wallet deals of 2025. Links to all these deals are down in the description. All of those links take you directly to the manufacturer's website. And those links also get you additional deals on top of the Black Friday deals that you wouldn't normally get if you just visit the website on your own. So make sure to take advantage of those. As for when these deals will end, some of them end Cyber Monday, so Tuesday, and some of them are carried out through the first week of December. So you have until December 8th, December 9th, but you definitely want to jump on top of them as soon as possible so that you can take advantage of these insane savings. But we'll start with Tangem. This is my one of my favorite cold wallets, I should say, but it's the one I use the most. This is best for beginners, whether it's your first crypto wallet, your first cold wallet, or if you're just getting into crypto. As long as you have a phone, an iPhone or an Android phone that has NFC capabilities, then this is the wallet for you. This is what I recommend. And they have one of the best deals on the market right now. I don't think I've ever seen a deal this good from Tangem. But right now, you can get a 2-pack of cards for only $38 plus $10 worth of free Bitcoin. The way that this works is the $10 worth of free Bitcoin. Once you submit your order, you'll get a separate email with the free Bitcoin and instructions on how to claim it once you set your Tangem wallet up. So yeah, again, Tangem is usually $49 for the 2-pack. You're getting it for $38, or you can get a 3-pack of cards for $70, or sorry, for $49. It's usually $70, and you still get the $10 worth of free Bitcoin. I actually want to show you something on the Tangem wallet, though, on their website. Which, there we go. I have to bring up the screen here. So on Tangem's website, you have all these different options. The cool thing about the 3-pack or the family pack is you can actually choose between the classic design, the stealth card, which is probably my favorite, or my ultimate favorite limited edition design is this new Snowy Sakura one. I think this is the coolest thing they've ever put out. It also comes with a limited edition Tangem box that it comes in. By far, this is probably the best design they've ever put out. Of course, subjective, that's my opinion. But they have a lot of different designs to choose from. All of them work exactly the same. It's literally just a design thing. Like the Bitcoin design, it doesn't mean it's a Bitcoin only wallet. It supports all the same cryptocurrencies. But they have a ton of different options to choose from. If you like Caspa, they have a Caspa design. But yeah, you can only get the limited edition designs in the 3-pack or the family pack. So I just wanted to make that known. But you get free Bitcoin with every purchase. The family pack, in my opinion, is the best deal that Tangem has right now. You're getting 6 cards for only $98. Plus, you get $20 in Bitcoin. So it's basically like $78. And you get free shipping, which is usually $140. But the best thing about the family pack is that you get 6 cards. You only need 2 Tangem cards to set up one Tangem wallet. So if you buy the family pack, this is literally 3 cold wallets. You're getting 3 cold wallets essentially if you want to set it up that way. You could set it up 3 cards per wallet and have 2 wallets, or you could set it up 2 cards per wallet and have 3 wallets. It's up to you. But I think this is the best deal. Or the Tangem ring. I've been wearing my Tangem ring. I've had it for about a year now. The ring, it's completely normal looking ring. It's just black, kind of, basic looking color. And it comes with 2 Tangem cards. They all work the same. They're all waterproof. They're all EMP resistant. They're all X-ray resistant. And it's the most discreet wallet that you'll find on the market right now. Usually it's $160. It's $105 right now. Plus you get the $10 in free Bitcoin and the free shipping. It's one of the only cold crypto wallet wearables on the market. So super cool option. And then we have the Tangem Holiday Box. This is obviously limited edition, limited supply because it's only for the holidays. But it comes with a 3-pack of Tangem Stealth cards, a Napa leather wallet holder. So it holds 4 cards like a wallet. And then it comes with a Tangem branded thermos and a Tangem branded bag. Now this is really just for anyone who needs like a last idea, a gift option for someone who's in the crypto or who likes Tangem. Usually it's $180, $126 for Black Friday. Plus you get the $10 in free Bitcoin and the free shipping. Then we have the Ledger Flex. This is also a good beginner wallet. It's the original price of $249, but you get $70 in free Bitcoin. And with Ledger, the free Bitcoin, you actually get a physical voucher that when you receive your wallet, it comes with this Bitcoin voucher. You just do this little scratch off and you'll enter the code in your Ledger Wallet app to claim it a little later. So $70 in free Bitcoin, basically $70 off. And if Bitcoin, the price of Bitcoin goes up, technically, if you think about it this way, your $70 can turn into more money. So I like this. I like this even better than a discount. Then you have the Ledger Nano Gen 5. This is Ledger's newest wallet. It's not on sale for Black Friday. It's its normal price of $179, but you do get $10 in free Bitcoin if you use the link in the description. So yippee, right? Then we have the Ledger Nano X. This is the first hardware wallet I ever bought. I still have it. I still use it. It is the OG Ledger wallet for me, or OG hardware wallet. Usually $149. It's half off right now, 74 bucks. You don't get free Bitcoin, but you do get the half off. So good deal there. Then we have the Ledger Nano S Plus. This is Ledger's entry-level wallet. It doesn't have Bluetooth. It doesn't have a battery, so it's mainly best used as a desktop wallet. It's $59 right now, and you get $10 in free Bitcoin. Then we have the Ledger Stacks. This is Ledger's most premium model. This wallet was actually designed by the inventor of the iPod. His name is Tony Fadell. This is a 3.7-inch curved e-ink touchscreen. Normal price $399, but you get the $80 worth of free Bitcoin. And also all the Ledger touchscreen wallets come with Ledger's recovery card, which is a secure card to back up your seed phrase. It's pin protected. It looks like this. This is Ledger's recovery card. So not only do you still write down your seed phrase, but you can choose to store it on this backup card as well. Just makes recovering your wallet a lot easier because you don't have to enter your seed phrase when you need to do that. Comes with all the Ledger touchscreens. Then we have the Trezor Safe 7. This is my personal favorite wallet that was released in 2025. They just came out with this a few weeks ago. The Trezor team has been working on this for a few years. It's, in my opinion, and I own all the Trezor wallets, it is their best wallet by far. It's Trezor's first wireless wallet, which means you can set it up, update the firmware, and manage your crypto either using the Trezor mobile app or on your desktop device, whatever you want to do. They also created a completely encrypted, end-to-end encrypted Bluetooth connection, and it only connects to your device, so no one random can connect to it. So it is completely secure if you want to use it wirelessly. The design is absolutely insane. It's one solid piece of aluminum that they formed into this. Honestly, it's a beautiful wallet. 100% open source. It has 2 secure element chips. It does use post-quantum cryptography. So if post-quantum updates ever come out for certain networks like Bitcoin, Ethereum, it should be a lot easier to implement those updates into this wallet. So it's essentially future-proofed in that sense. As far as the sale, it's the original price of $249, but you get the free wireless charger, which doesn't always come with it. It's just for this deal using the link in the description. And they have 3 colors. They have the charcoal black one here on screen. They also have an obsidian green one, which is super cool. And then they have a Bitcoin orange. Just know that the Bitcoin orange one is Bitcoin only firmware. So this is my favorite Trezor wallet. One of my favorite wallets currently available. But that doesn't mean the Safe 5 and Safe 3 aren't still good options. They're still secure. They still work just fine. Trezor still supports them. And they have a massive 40% deal going on for right now. So you can get the Safe 3 for $49 or the Safe 5 for $101. Obviously, the main difference here is the Safe 3 is a button wallet. Safe 5 is a Gorilla Glass touchscreen wallet. So then we have OneKey. They just launched their Black Friday deal today. The OneKey Classic and the OneKey Classic 1S Pure. They're both pretty much the exact same wallet. The main difference being the Pure doesn't have a battery in it, whereas the Classic 1S does. That, besides the color, that's the only difference. They work exactly the same. Currently is, I think that's 15% off. You're getting 84 bucks on the Classic 1S or only 67 bucks. It's not a fancy wallet by any means, but it is secure. It is open source and it does its job well. So yeah, don't expect anything fancy from it. It's a plastic design, but it does work well, and it's a good entry-level wallet as well. Then we have SafePal. The prices on these are, I need to switch them. So I just know that the S1 Pro is actually $84 and the S1 is $67. This is an air-gapped wallet. I recently just got my SafePal S1 and S1 Pro. I used the X1 previously. It's a cheaper wallet. Again, it does its job. There's nothing really fancy about it. The main difference between the S1 Pro and the S1 is the S1 Pro has a larger screen. So then we have the Arrow wallet. This is one of the newest hardware wallets to hit the market. It is a completely air-gapped wallet, so you use the camera on the back to sign QR codes. But the coolest thing about this wallet, in my opinion, besides it's waterproof and dustproof, is that it allows you to manage and store 10 different seed phrases at once. So it's like 10 wallets in one. It also comes with a wireless charger because it's completely enclosed. And it comes with 3 recovery cards. So these are pin protected cards that you can store your seed phrase in, and you can easily recover access to your wallet by holding it up to the back of your Arrow wallet, entering the PIN code for the card, and that'll allow you to access your wallet. So pretty cool. I was really surprised when I received this wallet and set it up and used it. It's usually $226. You can get it for $163 right now, which is 30% off. With this wallet, if you go and click on the link and go to the website, when you land on the website, it'll say $180. Once you actually add it to your cart and go to the checkout page, it'll drop to $163. Then we have Blockstream. If you are a Bitcoin maxi and prefer using a Bitcoin only wallet, not that you have to, some people like to. Blockstream is a popular wallet. Now, I don't personally use Bitcoin wallets that often, but I do own a Blockstream Jade. And you can get 21% off the Jade and the Jade Plus, $62 for the Jade or $133 for the Jade Plus. Jade Plus just has a bigger screen. You can use it air gapped. You can use it with the Bluetooth, or you can use it with the USB-C. It's up to you. We have Rider One. This is another new wallet that was launched this year. It's like Tangem, the first wallet we covered, but with the screen. So it is an NFC mobile only wallet. So you can view the transaction data on the actual device if that's what you want to do. Setup is just about as easy as Tangem. Comes with a free wireless charger, usually $249. It's on sale for $174, and you get the free charger. And then we have the Keystone 3 Pro, probably the most popular air-gapped wallet on the market, 100% open source, manage up to 3 seed phrases, usually $150. It's $120 on sale. I don't recommend this one for beginners, but if you are a more advanced or intermediate user and want more security features, the Keystone has a lot of features. And then the metal seed phrase plate. If you are serious about keeping your seed phrase secure, which is the master key to your crypto, don't store it on a piece of paper that the wallets all come with. Like every wallet comes with these silly wallet backup papers to write your seed phrase on. Not a long-term solution. You should get a metal seed phrase plate that will literally last you a lifetime. I mean, it's a solid piece of steel. Or they have titanium options. This is the only link in the description where I link to Amazon. You don't want to buy your hardware wallet on Amazon, but buying a piece of metal on Amazon is fine. You set up the seed phrase once you get it. And I filtered that link by all the best Black Friday deals. You can get like 10 to 30% off. And yeah, that's about it.